police are come this morning, man. Ah, boy. Me and him with a talk out there with me cutlass. Come me da sit down at the gate. Me da sit down at the gate. You understand me? And you need to know this. And you need to know this. Say happy murder right now, force. The bed them asleep on this morning. See there, the bed them asleep on this morning. And the police come and grab him. Right here me sit. Right here me catch. When them have him and shoot him, and he shoot me back inside. And I shoot and I lock the door.
Where was he shot?
Right there.
Right here?
Yeah. Look here. If police want him, take him and question him. You say, my son killed police at Portmore. You know you don't bring him in.
A young man seek to challenge the police officers, and he was apprehended by the team. And during the ordeal, he was injured and taken to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. We later found out just that intelligence was pointing to him as one of the main perpetrators in the attack of the late sergeant, who was also interestingly attached to St. Andrew South at the time of his demise.
When the policeman dead, my son was here this Saturday. Me no know nothing when we go Central Food Packers. Me here said the policeman dead. My son no go and go report no time at all. Say look baby when him left. When him left, 1 year old. The commissioner of police officer said something about this. The same all list where the police sent out. That is the same all list. Come back and say they want pim. Because one man where they pan the list, they are foreign all long. Me want justice. Me need justice.
But we really want to pace and cut and paste the whole scenario to see exactly what this young man was involved in, who he was involved with. And we shall continue to pursue. We shall continue to seek to disrupt criminal activities, not just in this division, but coordinatingly across the country as best as we can.